Let's face it, we are going through a terrible financial struggle. Prices for many goods and services have skyrocketed out of sight. Political division is rampant and violent. Foreign gangs have invaded too many of our communities. People are looking for stability in their lives. And one form of stability can be found in precious metals, especially gold. Gold has long been seen as a valuable commodity, a hedge against inflation, and a safe haven investment during times of economic uncertainty. For those looking to diversify their investment portfolio or simply add a tangible asset to their holdings, buying gold can be a wise decision. However, purchasing gold can seem to be a complicated process for those who are unfamiliar with the market. Watch this short video for some tips on how to buy gold effectively.
When most people think about buying gold, they are thinking about buying physical gold. But they are often confused about what type of gold to purchase. After all, gold can come as bars, coins, rounds, even jewelry. What are the differences between these options? Let's take a look. Gold bars are simply rectangular pieces of gold of high purity and a specified weight. Common weights of popular gold bars include 1 gram, 2.5 grams, 5 grams, and 1 troy ounce. A gold coin contains high purity gold of a specific weight. Gold coins are typically minted by governments and have a legal face value, like a $20 gold coin. Gold coins can be classified as bullion coins or numismatic coins. The primary value of bullion coins comes from their gold content. Numismatic coins, on the other hand, are also valued for their age, rarity, beauty, or historical significance, and are often called collectibles. Rounds are typically minted by private mints, have no legal face value, and often commemorate a historic or contemporary event. They are valued for their gold content. Gold jewelry includes rings, necklaces, earrings, bracelets, watches, and other wearables. Often valued primarily by its gold content, jewelry may also contain valuable gems like diamonds, pearls, or rubies that enhance the value. In addition to physical gold, people also can purchase gold-based exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. These are funds that hold physical gold as their underlying asset. These funds track gold prices and allow you to indirectly benefit from gold price fluctuations. However you invest in gold, you need to keep updated on gold market news, price movements, and investment strategies to make informed decisions.
More sophisticated investors might also consider gold futures contracts and mining stocks. But I think the options Susan covered are the best ways for the average person to invest in gold. If you choose to invest in physical gold, there are a few different ways to go about purchasing it. One common option is to buy gold coins or bars from reputable dealers or mints. It's important to do your due diligence and make sure you are purchasing from a reputable source to avoid scams or counterfeit products. You can also consider investing in allocated or unallocated gold accounts where you own a specified amount of physical gold held in a secure vault. Overall, buying gold can be a valuable addition to your investment portfolio, providing diversification and a safe haven asset in times of economic uncertainty. By carefully researching your options and understanding the risks involved, you can make a smart investment in gold that aligns with your financial goals. If you have additional questions about gold or silver investing, please leave your question in a comment below, and we will address your question in a future video.
Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. We truly appreciate your support and interest in our content. We hope you learned something valuable from this video. If so, please click the thumbs up, like button to let us know. Now, we recommend you watch this video next. It will further boost your knowledge and skills in this important area.